good morning guys. As promised, I am getting down and dirty. Hopefully you saw this already. Again this morning. Woohoo! Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys this. Yes. I think those of you see this know what I'm talking about. Rear differential fluid service on my Polaris 800 EFI HO. Okay. Polaris Sportsman EFI 800cc wet sump oil system. 2000 something. It's the same tank, wet sump. Okay, it's contained within the engine. It doesn't mean anything. I love to talk about that. I don't know why. Wet sump, dry sump. Dry sump is in a separate tank, but it doesn't mean anything. But I always say it every time when I'm doing this kind of service. ATV angle dry fluid rear gear case. All right, I took a note and it says 5 ounces or 150 milliliters, but when I saw the manual, it says 9. So the ATV angle dry fluid rear gear case, you know, what I was gonna say is that I know I said it before when I was down there doing my my drain plug, but I want to say it if you guys didn't catch that. I know that a lot of us want to save a couple dollars and everything, and I want to just mention something. Purchasing the, you know, the fluid, the items itself, you know, all of the requirement items to change the maintenance services and everything. I know saving a couple of dollars may not be a long-term kind of solution. I just want to make a note that Polaris, especially Polaris, because I like Polaris brand, they took their time to research, you know, what is best for the vehicle and everything, and they took their time and research in years and years of their, you know, of their brand. What am I talking about? As I was saying, Polaris especially, you know, I love this brand. In fact, we have we have a few here. So I'm saying it right because I am a fan. I'm a loyal customer. So anyhow, Polaris took their time to research, done a lot of research on what is best for optimal performance in our vehicles. So I want to just give a shout out that whatever they recommend could be and would be, and I think should be the best for our vehicles. So, you know, follow what they recommend, require based on your owner's manual. You know, saving a couple of dollars may not be a long-term solution for all of this thing. Okay, so ATV angle drive fluid rear gear case I'm doing right now. I think that's it. Next week I'm going to do a transmission fluid service. So yes, I will get down and dirty. I think I should be wearing a different hat, huh? I don't know why I'm wearing this one. Well, there you go, a hint for Polaris. Send me one. Okay, so I'll need next week AGL gear case Polaris, and they recommend 37 ounces fluid. We'll see what it takes. All right, in the meantime, feel free to subscribe. You won't miss any of my upcoming videos, whether it's this entertaining one or how-to tutorial or any other kind of inspirational videos. Subscribe, like, comment. Subscribe, like, comment. He loves that. Like and share this video or any of my videos to your network. And I think we're all going to be happy in this. Okay, this has been a helpful. Until then, go out and ride more often. Safety first. Follow all of the riding rules when you're out there. Okay, stay safe and stay vigilant. Hopefully I see you out there on some trails out here. All right, okay, until then, this is Nicky there. Take care. Go ride more. After your service, go ride it. All right, sampai jumpa. Bye. We're gonna be filling the fluid. It's an angle drive fluid, a rear end gear case. All right, so what we're going to be doing is that we're going to pump this down there, and we're going to let it drain, level up, okay, until it fills all the way up. Yeah, until it fills all the way up. It's okay to overflow it, so we know it's level, okay? So I'm going to start pumping to a level with the thread, okay? Level with the thread. Slow. It may take the last step. Well, the second of the last step is to put this back, and I want to just wipe this off a little bit and making sure the seal is still there. And it has magnetic, I think, in this one too. But Yeah, it's gonna drain for a while. In the meantime, I'm gonna start with mine. This is 850cc, so I'm gonna go with, we're gonna do 800cc. That's the first step. And I think the foremost important thing, that make sure that you do the fill. That was a drain plug. This is a fluid plug. Hey, good morning guys. As promised, I am getting down and dirty again this morning. It's a Sunday. Woohoo! All right, it looks like I have everything set up here. I'm doing rear differential fluid service on my Polaris 800 EFI. That's what it looks like in the back side of the engine. All right, so it's a wet sump oil system. Doesn't mean anything for today. It's the same tank contained with the same with the engine. Versus a dry sump is in a separate tank. Okay, have to know that. That's a pop quiz question. All right, ATV angle dry fluid rear gear case. It says 5 ounces, and then the manual says 9 ounces. So make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and also yes, share any of the videos, this video, any of it that you want to share to your network. That would be great. Anybody that can find this helpful, I guess, I hope. So until then, I'm gonna go take care of this, and I'm gonna walk you guys to this. All right, so step 1 is to make sure the bolt and the nut is kind of loose, and making sure, as we see it, the back side of this vehicle. But we found that's where, if you guys can see that, that's the EFI. This is the fill. Okay, make sure that you, this is a good note, by the way, make sure that you sort of loosen this, just because you want to make sure that it's not whatever. How do I say it? Most important note here, point, is that this is the fill plug, right? Make sure you loosen it a little bit, because when you open up the drain plug, which is right down below here, I'm going to show it to you. If you do not loosen this, and the drain plug is already loosened, it's already going and everything, and you're going to be screwed. Okay, I can use that language, I think. And this is the drain plug back here. I'm going to loosen it, and then making sure that it is loose. And we're going to drain. No, that's the fill plug in the back. No, on the bottom, right here. That's the drain plug. We're going to loosen it, and then we're going to start the oil fluid to get out. We're doing rear end of the Polaris 800 right now. Okay, this is the fluid that we're going to be using. And make sure you read the owner's manual, by the way. I always use a factory product, which is Polaris itself. All right, so I want to mention something. I wrote a note. It requires 5 ounces, and then the manual says 9 ounces. But what we're gonna do is to make sure that this one, whatever it takes, whatever it requires, all right, until we see it. I'm gonna show it to you, what I'm talking about, a little bit later. Hold on. So that was a little bit hard, but it's okay. We got it all taken care of. This is, I want to show you. This is the magnetic, there's a seal right here, but this is a magnetic plug. So one more thing about this plug, make sure the seal is still attached to it, and just be very careful not to lose that seal, and inspect anything that's around the film or anything like that. This has been done, the break-in years ago. We wrote it for, long miles, many miles already. But what I'm trying to say is that when we did his 850cc, he's got more film on it because he was doing his break-in oil fluid service. Mine doesn't have that, but it has magnetic, this one. All right, so it's stopped right now, so I better attend. You see this? It's not much fluid coming out, but this one, making sure that the seal, it's there and it's in proper condition. Okay, so let's go to the next step.